This Hawaiian home is designed as several pavilions set in a lush tropical landscape. Designed by the architects at Olson Kundig, the design is inspired by the vernacular architecture of the Polynesian islands, focusing on creating spaces that offer both refuge and expansive views. Most of the living spaces are on the upper floor, providing inhabitants with views of the ocean and refuge from challenging weather conditions. One of the key architectural elements of the Hawaii residence is its passive climate control system. Movable wooden louvres and large operable roof panels measuring 6 by 15 feet allow for natural ventilation and sun shading throughout the day. These features help keep the interior cool during the hottest hours without heavily relying on mechanical systems. By incorporating these adaptable elements, Olson Kundig has created a residence that not only responds to the tropical climate, but also encourages indoor-outdoor living. The structures feature exposed timber frames, reinforcing the residence's organic connection to the site. The movable wooden louvres and operable roof panels were essential to creating a space that could be passively ventilated and shaded, maintaining comfort in the tropical environment. The interiors are designed by R.P. Miller. On the ground floor, lava stone is used to visually anchor the buildings to the site and the volcanic landscape, referencing traditional island construction. The office hut is an addition to the main residence. The hut follows the modular logic of the residence's original design, maintaining the flexibility of the pavilion-style layout, allowing the home to evolve with the occupant's needs. The 70-square-foot structure is clad in red cedar and incorporates a unique system of sliding wooden louvres, providing both privacy and open views. A stainless steel handwheel is manually turned to open the shutter. When the louvres are retracted, a glass wall is revealed, which extends downward, offering a direct view of a Japanese garden with a koi pond beneath the structure. This connection to the natural environment creates a serene and contemplative atmosphere, ideal for a personal workspace. The office hut and Hawaii residence together illustrate Olson Kundig's commitment to designing spaces that are adaptable, functional, and integrated into their natural surroundings. The modular design of the pavilion-style residence, expanded with the addition of the office hut, highlights an architectural approach that can evolve with the needs of its inhabitants while maintaining a strong connection to the landscape. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and share your thoughts about this house in the comments.